What's going on, everybody? Well, we are here with our tour guide today, and I just want to stop for just a second and say this is for fun only. For everybody that begins to hate on this video because we are not calling these animals by their actual names, this is really just for fun, right?
And I'm just stupid.
And, well, that too. I mean, so that's, yeah, so please don't hate because we're calling the animals the wrong names and things of that nature. We actually do know what these animals are, and we're friends with Paul, so, right? I mean, I think we're friends with him, right? No. Not really. I mean, we did kind of just...
I haven't talked to you about it yet. I haven't talked about it yet, but I'm alone.
Are you lonely?
Yeah.
Do we want to have a therapy session?
Yeah.
Let's go have a therapy session with Arnold to start.
Okay. He looks so freaking cute.
He does. Look at him. Oh, what's his name again?
I don't know. He looks like an Arnold to me. He just looks like.
Well, what is he exactly? I don't even know.
Hi, Arnold. Looks like a bear. And looks vicious.
All right, can you do me a favor?
Ride him.
No, don't ride him, but can you go give him a hug and a kiss and tell him you love him, please? Oh, he likes that. I guarantee you he does not have the speed and agility to flip around. He's kind of like me. Why are you laughing? What is that over there?
A chicken is piggyback riding. A chicken.
What, I'm sorry, Max, what was that? What was happening?
A chicken was piggyback riding another chicken.
Did you hear that, Brenton?
Chicken was piggyback. I don't think. Yeah, that's what he was doing.
Yep.
And here is wild Brenton Zeckley wrangling one large bull with tusks.
No, that's it. That's the end of it. That's the end of it.
That's it? Okay. Moving on to the next enclosure.
No, the tour is done.
That almost killed him.
Yeah.
All right, so about 14 o'clock, there is a mini pig. Not a mini pig. It's actually just a tinier version of a normal pig. A baby is what they call them.
And where did you say it was?
14 o'clock.
14 o'clock?
Over there in the pasture.
Okay. I was confused.
Why?
I didn't know exactly where it was.
Oh, and then we've got these looking. Hi! Oh my god! You are just so cute. Look at him. Absolutely freaking vibing.
You want to pet it, bro?
Yeah.
Pet it.
Okay. It won't hurt me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Until it takes your hand off.
Look
He
at that.
will.
That is just the cutest thing ever. Waddles is gonna get that big. That's the thing. Maybe a little bigger.
The
don't
problem
wanna
is
play with
hopefully he
goats.
doesn't become as mean as that over there.
Oh my god, that thing is deadly. I almost just died. It almost grabbed me by the shoulder while I was trying to pick up my phone. Roll the clip.
Oh my god, Brenton!
He almost
Holy!
killed.
I just needed my phone. And now there's wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pigs, 11 pigs, maybe 12. There's a lot of pigs. I forget sometimes. I'm here a lot. It's just he always adds more. Well, continuing on, all of them look great, including the freaking show. That looks like a show rooster. Why is that rooster so good looking? Better looking than me.
Hey, good looking. What you got cooking?
Chicken. Cooking chicken. But on top of that, everything else is vibing. I don't like Arnold. Lady May I do like. She's a little bit smaller than Arnold, believe it or not. And Arnold's freaking huge. No! No! Give me the beat, oh, free my soul.
Brenton, you're so on key we may get demonetized for you singing that.
I do have a really good voice.
You do. Can you just sing me your favorite song right now? Just one piece of lyric.
Give me the beat, boys, free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
And now, since everybody is tired of seeing Brenton's face for a minute, we're gonna move over here to Max Robert. And Max Robert's gonna tell us about this billy goat.
That's a mom.
Oh, look
Now
how
the
sweet
pig's
she
trying to
is.
get out.
The pig is trying to get out.
Yeah, I think
Look
he
at
could
Boots
break
though.
that.
That's Boots. You haven't
Yes.
met Boots. Boots is so sweet.
Hi.
Look at that.
I've never met. I've been near you, but I've never met you.
Actually, you haven't, dude. Boots wasn't born when you were here the last time.
He wasn't? Wow. He wasn't? Oh my.
Look, here's the new rescue goat.
Here's the new. It turned into a rescue.
It did. You hear it? Oh, here it is. Look, he is chained up. That is her. See who we're saving, bro. She is like chained up to the fence.
Are you kidding me? What is with goats that look like this? Oreo is the same way.
I know, but look at her. Okay, whether Paul likes her or not, we're taking her. I will happily pay for this goat. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Yes. I mean,
What is with us
you
and
feel
finding
like
a
it,
goat?
right?
Oh, yeah, I definitely
Okay,
feel like it.
definitely.
Oh my god, make that noise again. It was so cute.
Welcome to Miami, boys.
Yeah.
Look at her. She is totally vibing in here with all the other animals. I mean, like, just, she's so happy now, which makes me so, oh, and she's got to pee. Really? You had to pee right in the middle of the segment? Good Lord. You done? Okay, well, back to this little girl right here. Look at her. She's so happy.
Brenton?
Huh?
Okay. And you come over here. A duck.
Do you hear the tortoise making all the noise in there?
What is the tortoise doing?
Clapping other tortoise cheeks or shell. That'd be shell. Tortoise shell. Which is a, if you guys don't know, that's like an arts and crafts thing. All you dirty-minded people.
Like they roll their shells in paint and like put it on canvas.
Yes, not like actual. Never mind. Okay. Oh, hi! Look at him.
He's straight munching on the grass.
I just love how the fact that thing is literally older than me. That's kind of cool.
It is.
I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty sick. That's why I want a tortoise.
The crazy thing is, I want you to go put your finger in its mouth.
Nope.
Please.
Nope.
Please.
Nope. My finger be gone forever.
Thanks, Mr. Tortoise. I know you're old. You sure are cute. Boots, what are you doing, bro?
See in the tree.
Hey, Boots. Boots, come here. What are you doing? How you doing, Boots? Come here. Hey, Boots. What's over
Flock.
yonder? A what?
Flock of pig. So yeah, I said there was 12. If there was 12, there'd actually be 18 because there's, I believe, 6 more over there. I think. I don't know. But or if there's 10, there'd be 16. I don't know how many there are. But there's more pigs.
What is this right here?
That's a dog.
A dog? What kind of dog is that, Max?
I think it's a dwarf dog.
A dwarf dog. It's a Nigerian dwarf dog.
Oh my God, he's eating my pants.
He's like Steven.
That's me at my lowest point in life, is what you just captured.
Oh yeah? That's fantastic. Well, hey everybody, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video today. If you have not liked, make sure you do so. And also, if you are new to the channel and you've decided to watch this video, also try to subscribe before you go. And do it for Brenton, because it was the lowest point of his life ever right then. Alright guys, well hopefully you went on to enjoy this video today, and hopefully, Paul, you really enjoy your new little goat.
Danny Duncan liked my photo! Yes, Danny! Yes! Oh, this is the best day of my life. What the heck? Danny liked my photo. I'm wearing Danny's shirt. Danny! Please comment. Why didn't he comment?
Are you done? I'm trying to film up.
Sorry, that's so dope.
Well, anyway, hopefully you guys went on to enjoy this video today, and Paul, I really hope you enjoy your new goat. We definitely took her out of a very, very disgusting situation and put her into a wonderful new home. So, if you have not subscribed or have not followed us on Instagram, please do that now, and hey, we will see you next time.